Let's talk about the CSS borders. It defines the exact area of the HTML element, and inside the CSS border we are going to discuss about the border styles, and also inside the border style we are going to discuss some of the border style like the dash s border, dot border, and then the no border property, and also the solid border. And another one is this border width. It defines the size of the border, and another one is border color. It defines the different color like RGB color, hex color, or we can use the normal color like red, green, blue. And another one is border sides. We can define the different color styles and width only the specific parts of the border like the top border or right border or left border or the bottom border. And another one is the border shorthand property. We can use the border property and we can define the width, color, and the style at once. And another one is the rounded border, and also we'll discuss about it in this video. First of all, let's go into the VS Code and let's start and let's explore these examples. At first, create here new file CSS border.html, and I'm using the extension as HTML because I'm going to show you the internal CSS here. First of all, press Shift and 1 to get this default code, and inside the head tag just create another HTML element that is style. And first of all, create one class here like a dotted class, and inside the dotted class just give the border style properties, and inside the border style properties you can give the dotted as style. Okay, and let's create another class here that is the dash, dash is the dash, and border style is dash dash. And also I want to create another class here that is double, and inside the border style just give the color as just give the value as double double. And also after that I want to create another class that is the solid as well as the solid class, and inside the solid class just give the property as border style and then the value as solid. Now I'm creating here 4 classes. Okay, and inside the body tag I want to create here the p tag, and inside the p tag this I want to give the message as this is normal text. Okay, and after that I want to create another paragraph tag, and I want to use the class as the dotted class, and inside the dotted class I want to give the message as this is dotted border. Okay, and I want to copy this paragraph into another line, and I want to change this dotted into dash dash, and this is dash dashed border. And also I want to paste value again here, and this is double border, double border, and this is double border. And also I want to paste it here again, and I want to put it as a solid value, and then this is solid border. So if I run this code by pressing on the go live option here, now you can see output as this is normal text, and first one is the dotted border, second one is the dashed border, third one is the double border, and fourth one is the solid border. Now I'm again in the VS Code, and I want to show you the width of the border. So to show the width of the border, first type the border width. Okay, border width, and I can give the border width as 5 pixel. Okay, 5 pixel. And if I can go to the browser, then you can see the first one with the width is increased here into the 5 pixel. And also I can put here the another width like the in second dash types of border. I can give the border width here, border width normal, and if I put the border width normal, and second one is the normal. And if I want to put the border width here also border width, and border width thick, if I put the border width as thick, now this is converted into the thick in the double border. Okay, and in this way you can give the border width also. And if you talk about the border color, then just type the border color. Okay, and if you type the border color here, and after typing the border color, you can give the normal color as if I want to give any color here, then this is color is converted into this color. And after that also you can give the border color using the hex value like FF. If you want to make the yellow color, then just give this value. Okay, now this is converted into the yellow color. And also you can use the border color as BORDER border color, border color as the RGB value. Then I just give the RGB value. If you want to make it as red color, then 255,0,0. Now this is converted into the red color. So in this way you can give the border style, and then the border style, and then the border color and the border width. And if you want to give the border width at once, then how you can give these things? At first example, Okay, at last example, I want to make another class here that is mixed. And inside this mixed color border, if you want to keep the border style, okay. And border style, if you want to make border style top as dotted, right as uh, right as solid, okay, right as solid, left as you can make the double, and also the this is bottom and this is left, DSHD dash. Okay, if I go to here and if I want to use this mix value in the paragraph tag, then just use the class equals to mix and just give message as this is mix, okay, mix border. And if I go to the browser, now you can see my top value is dotted, okay, I'm putting here dotted, and right value is solid, I'm putting here this solid, and the bottom value is double, okay, I'm putting here the double, and left value is dashed. Now left value is dashed. So you can give the style using this like using this shorthand property, okay. And if you want to make the border width also in different way, width border, first of all give this semicolon here and border width. And if you want to give top value as 5 pixel, left as 1 pixel, sorry, right as 1 pixel, bottom as 4 pixel, and left as 3 pixel, then just go to the browser again. Now the size of the border is also changed, okay, the width also changed. And if you want to make the different color, then also you can use the color property, color shorthand properties also, border color, okay. Then you can give the top as yellow color, okay, and left as blue color, and then the right as blue color, the bottom as the red color, and left as green color or gray color. Then you can see the different color over here. The top is yellow, right is blue, bottom is red, and left is this is what color, gray color, okay. So in this way you can use the shorthand property. And if you want to see the rounded border, then just use the border ROUND, the rounded, just give here the semicolon, rounded border, okay. Just use the border radius, just use the border radius, and you can give the value as 5 pixel or whatever you want. And this is converted in the rounded border here if you see it clearly, okay. And after that, if you want to use the certain properties of the border, then just remove part from here, or you can make another class here. Just give a shorthand, okay. And inside this, just use the border. And first of all, give the color of the border. Just first of all, give the size of the border as 5 pixel. And another one is the color. Then just give the yellow color. And just first of all, and also after this, give the solid as this style and the color. And if you use this value here, using the taking the p class is equals to, I'm making class is equals to shorthand, and this is shorthand property. This is shorthand border. And if I go to the browser, now you can see this is 5 pixel is the width of the border, and after that this yellow is the color, and this solid is the property of the border or style of the border. In this way, you can use these shorthand properties also. If you want to make it different, top border, left border, right border, then you can use the top border, right, left border, or right border. That is sided property. So if you want to make, like, if you want to create another class here, and sided, SIDED, sided style, this is my class, okay. This is my class, and inside this you can make the border top color, that is red, and border top width, that is 5, if I put the 5 pixel, and also you can border top, that is another one is the style color, okay. Style is that is solid. If I again use this, I have to use this class here, p class is equals to sided style, and this is sided style, okay. This is top border. And if I go to the browser, now you can see this is only the top border we have style, that is red color, 5 pixel width, and this solid style. So we can only define the particular part of the border only. And if I want to make other border style also, I can make the one style for the right side border, left side border, top side border, and the bottom side border. If you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.